Welcome to the Wildlife Wonderscape. Today, we delve into the world of one of nature's most elegant creatures. The flamingo. During mating season, flamingos perform elaborate courtship rituals. Their synchronized dances and vibrant colors are not just for show but a testament to their dedication to finding a mate. Nesting colonies are bustling with activity. Flamingos build cone-shaped nests and diligently incubate their eggs. Once hatched, the chicks are carefully guarded and nurtured. Feeding time is a spectacle of precision and teamwork. Flamingos use their uniquely shaped bills to filter algae and small crustaceans from the water, turning their surroundings into a vibrant feast. Living in large colonies, flamingos establish a social hierarchy through displays of dominance and submission. Preening rituals help maintain their distinctive plumage, while designated sentinels keep watch for potential threats. Flamingos are nomadic creatures known for their impressive migration journeys. They travel hundreds of miles in search of suitable breeding grounds and favorable feeding sites. Despite their resilience, flamingos face challenges in the modern world. Pollution and habitat loss threaten their fragile ecosystems, underscoring the need for conservation efforts to ensure their survival. As stewards of our planet, we hold the future of these graceful guardians in our hands. Through understanding and conservation, we can secure a brighter tomorrow for the flamingos and the diverse ecosystems they call home. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Subscribe to Wildlife Wonderscape for more captivating stories of wildlife conservation and discovery.